Hello friends, on this video how you can apply two apps in one screen. Suppose you want to set WhatsApp to WhatsApp in one screen, so how you can set dual apps, right? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Friends, here you can see only one app. Okay, here's only one WhatsApp, and if you want to apply another WhatsApp, then just tap on WhatsApp. Okay, here's to WhatsApp. And friends, first of all you have to move on setting, then after that from here you have to scroll down, and friends you have to click on apps. So tap on apps. When you click on apps, here you can see the second option is the app cloner. It says create app clones and run them at the same time. So friends, you have to tap on the second option. When you click on second option, from here you can see the last option is the WhatsApp. So friends, you have to tap on WhatsApp. When you tap on WhatsApp, it says create app clone. So just click on this icon, and here WhatsApp clone added to home screen. It has been added. Okay, another WhatsApp has been added. And when you activate this one, here you can rename clone when using quick function as always as. Okay, so click on the home button and let's check it. So here you can see here's your WhatsApp and here's your fake WhatsApp and when the clone of the WhatsApp. Okay, so if you want to remove, then you can remove from your screen, and if you want to use, then you can use at the same time. See, there is a app WhatsApp. You can select your language, and here you can see another WhatsApp, it's log. Okay, so you can use two WhatsApp in one screen like this. Okay, and friends, if you want to remove, then you just click on this icon. I'll show you here. uh, Here on this icon, just tap on this icon and WhatsApp will be removed easily. If you don't know how to remove, then try it. Okay, just click on this icon, it will be removed from your screen. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.